This video shows how to install the add-on RS485 communication module. You may begin by taking off the leftmost back cover. Then, insert the module and secure it in place by tightening it with a Phillips screwdriver. Press the program button to enter the setting menu. Press the left button 4 times to relay module page. Press the program button to enter the RS485 setting. Starting from the column left, we see device address of 2, baud rate of 9600, and communication parameters under frame. Press the program button to modify the RS485 setting. Press the up button to increase the device number, or press the up and program button simultaneously to reverse it. Press the left button to enter baud rate setting. User can select the baud rate between 1200 to 38,400 bits per second. Press the left button to modify the frame setting for parity, data bit, and stop it. Press the program button to save the setting. Press the up button twice to return to the main page.